Ever pondered about how to eliminate those pesky, unwanted IP addresses from your network? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're going to walk you through the process, explaining each step and command in detail. The first order of business is to identify the IP addresses that are considered unwanted on your network. This can be achieved by scrutinizing your router's connected devices list or employing network scanning tools such as ARP, Nmap, or ipconfig. Once identified, the next step is to dive into the command prompt. Simply press Win+R, type CMD, and hit enter. Voila! The command prompt is at your service. In the command prompt, it's time to check the devices currently connected to your network. For this, the ARP command comes in handy. Just type ARP-A and hit enter. This command will present you with a list of devices, complete with their IP addresses and MAC addresses. Now comes the detective part. Go through the list generated by the ARP-A command and identify the IP addresses that seem alien or unwanted. Got them? Good. The final step is to remove these unwanted IP addresses from your network. This can be done either by blocking their MAC addresses or assigning them to a different IP range, provided your router supports it. Blocking MAC addresses is usually done through your router's administration interface. You'll need to access your router's web interface, navigate to the Connected Devices section, and hunt for options to block or blacklist devices by their MAC addresses. Alternatively, if your router allows you to specify DHCP IP ranges, you can modify the DHCP IP range to exclude the unwanted IP addresses. Remember, meddling with network configurations can differ based on your router model and manufacturer. It's crucial to have the necessary permissions and understand the potential impact your actions could have on your network before making any changes. Also, administrative access to your router might be required for some tasks. Always ensure you have the right authorization before trying to modify network configurations. So, to summarize, the process involves identifying the unwanted IP addresses, accessing the command prompt, checking connected devices, identifying unwanted IP addresses, and finally removing them by either blocking MAC addresses or changing the DHCP IP range. And that's it. With these steps, you can effectively remove unwanted IP addresses from your network. Remember, understanding the commands and their purpose is the key to a secure network.